Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Dolly the Doughgirl. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off at the top and let's draw the bow. Let's draw a curve across in the center. And then let's bring it down on both sides. And then at the bottom, let's curve it in, bringing it up in the center and back down like this. Now from the top left, let's draw a curve up. And the same on the right side. And then let's bring it down with a curve. And then bring it back in towards the center. Now top inside, and let's draw two angled lines coming out from the center. And that's it for the bow. Now top underneath and let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start underneath on the left and let's draw a circular curve down, over, and back up. And now top inside and let's draw the face. Let's start inside at the top and let's draw two curves for the tops of the eyes. And then a curve across, like this, underneath. And color both of the eyes in black. Now top underneath and let's start drawing the mouth with a curve across. And then a larger curve underneath. Now on top in the center, let's draw the lips with a V shape. And then angle it down on both sides. And then inside the mouth, let's draw two bumps at the bottom for the tongue. And color the rest of the mouth in black. And that's it for the head. Now top down and let's draw the body. Let's start under the head and let's draw two curves down for the neck. And now across the bottom, let's draw the necklace. Let's start with a circle in the center. And then another one on both sides. And then a curve out on both sides like this. And that's it for the necklace. Now let's move down and let's draw the shape of the body. Let's leave a gap and let's draw an angle out and then curve it in underneath like this. And then a curve across in the center at the bottom. Now top underneath and let's draw the legs. Let's start with two curves down in the center. Now top to the outside and let's draw a curve down and out. And then close off the bottom of each foot. And that's it for the legs. Now let's move back up and let's draw the arms. Let's start on the left next to the necklace and let's draw a curve out and bring it up. And let's do the same thing underneath. Now at the end, let's draw the hand. From the inside line, let's draw a curve in and back out for the thumb. And then let's draw three fingers going up. And that's it for the left arm. Now top over to the right side. For this arm, let's draw a curve down and bring it out. and then a curve underneath. Now to draw the fingers, let's start from the top line and let's curve it back in. And then let's draw the thumb underneath with the curve out and back in like this. Now let's draw 2 fingers behind. On top, let's draw 2 curves up like this. And that's it for the shape of the body. Now let's move in and let's draw the pattern. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a wavy line in, down, and back up like this. Now we're going to draw a hand with the curve up and back down for the thumb, and then 3 bumps going down for the fingers. And then a wavy line over to the left and back out. Now for the next hand, let's start on the top right and let's draw a wavy line down and bring it towards the center. Then let's add 4 bumps for the fingers like this. Now let's curve it up, down, and back out. Now for the last hand, at the bottom, let's start on the left and let's draw a wavy line across the body and then curve it up. Let's add the first finger, then 3 bumps on top, and then curve it down to the right side. And that's it for a dolly. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!